How to find a Facebook account by email. Start by opening up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can explore and view Facebook posts and pages. On this page, go to the top and tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type in the email address of the account you are looking for. Then, tap on Search. Now, go to the People section as shown. Find the account and open it. Once you're in their profile, tap on Add Friend to add them on Facebook. You can repeat the same to find other accounts by their email. Same way, you can look them up using their phone number as well. Following these steps, you can easily find a Facebook account by email. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.